This is no time to say it's good enough. In fact, we need to redouble our efforts.
COVID-19 numbers are moving in the right direction, but state leaders warn the fight is far from over. This comes as Utah reaches a grim milestone in the ongoing pandemic. 401 Utahns now have lost their lives to COVID-19. 4 new deaths reported today. All were residents of long-term care centers.
As for our daily case count, the Department of Health reporting 407 new cases today. The rolling 7-day average for positive cases is 376. At the beginning of the month, that number was at 500. The number of those currently hospitalized with the virus is down to 118. It's about 100 fewer than just a few weeks ago. Our team of news specialists are covering multiple angles, from the impact COVID is having on domestic violence cases to a controversial mask mandate in Provo.
We start with Mike Hedrick and the ongoing effort to keep our kids safe at school. Mike, as we've seen, it's the kids in some cases who are making a plea to their parents.
Yeah, Deanie, you may remember a couple of days ago in Washington County, there were a group of parents there who said, hey, we need to have a no mask Monday as kids were starting up school for the week, basically saying, hey, kids, we don't want you to wear masks to school. Well, the district was saying something different, as were a few of the students. The students there kind of teaming up and saying, no, parents, we want to be in school. We need to see our friends. We want to be a part of extracurricular activities. So as a result of all this, a lot of the kids did wear their masks. Most of them did. And then the governor today saying, you know what, I'm going to have you front and center during this press conference.
Dali and Dawson and Brock, are you there?
Yes, we're here.
All right, we'll turn the time to you. You're on.
These 3 students from Enterprise High School have been making some noise the past few days, first on the football field, then online, and now in the middle of the governor's media conference.
And our voices are being heard, and it goes to show that even though we're kids, our voices aren't irrelevant. What we have to say matters.
And what they are saying is in direct opposition to this and other social media posts from parents protesting masks at school and trying to get the entire student body to show up for class mask-free.
I'm all for protests. I'm all for the First Amendment and the right to protest. But I don't feel that the way that they were doing it was the correct way. I don't feel that telling your kids to break the rules that are set in place is the right way to protest.
These high school seniors believe some parents have been pushing a no-mask agenda on their kids. So they've been fighting the protests with their own protests to keep the school year intact.
Because we're willing to do it. We want to be here, and we're willing to make that sacrifice, and that's not the decision for the parents to make.
And the governor finished up a press conference essentially saying that the attitude and actions of these 3 students is really the same attitude of most students throughout the state of Utah. He's asking that most parents get on board with these students and do what they're supposed to do, mask up, and teach their kids to mask up as they head off to school. Back to you.
Yep, those kids showing a great example. Mike, thanks.